not stopping. No, I'm not stopping. Back from the dead, I rise again. Oh, keep on fighting.
The rider made his career best run yesterday. It's Chris Bostick.
Chris Bostick's bike is coming around. He was involved in NHRA drag racing years ago, put together a successful business, and retired, if you could call it that. He's come back out on the tour.
All right, here we go. Now I'm focused. Just breathe.
He's going to be tough out there. Very exciting for Chris.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen, hobos and tramps, cross-eyed elephants and bow-legged ants. We're here at the races to have a fun day. Wish you could be here also.
Okay.